Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. I love hearing from you and I read all the comments, but one in particular caught my attention and it was from Jenny, and she commented on my skullbrød Norwegian custard buns, and this is what she wrote. My grandma used to make Pannekaken for my grandpa. He was 100% Norwegian, but the only recipes that I found are Dutch. Do you know of anything similar? I miss my grandparents very much and I struggle and miss their meals. Oh, Jenny, thank you so much for this. And actually, I got right on it. I called Bodhi in Norway and she knew exactly what I was talking about. And actually, my husband and I had these Pannekaken when we were there with her. They're basically a Norwegian pancake. She gave me her recipe and I'm going to prepare it for you here and now. Now let's get started. You're going to need a blender for this. 3 large eggs. To the 3 eggs, we're going to add 1.5 cups of full fat milk. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And that's it, Jenny, that's it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to blitz it. I'm going to refrigerate the batter for half an hour. I'm going to prepare the chantilly cream. Okay, so we have 1 cup of whipping cream, half a teaspoon of clear vanilla. I'm using the clear one because I don't want it to color my cream. And 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. I'm just going to whip it up. We're just going to wait until I see stiff peaks. It's ready. I'm going to transfer the whipping cream, the chantilly cream, to a serving dish and keep it in the refrigerator until I'm ready for it. I'm going to start preparing the Pannekaken, the Norwegian pancakes. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter. I have a 1/4 cup and I'm going to just scoop. This way, you know, they'll all be the same size. I'm going to place it in and I'm just going to move the pan around to cover everywhere. There, and I'm just going to let it heat. Now that it's a little bit golden brown on the top, we're going to flip it. There we are. Patience. And there we go. I'm going to leave it for an additional 30 seconds and it's ready. I have my serving dish here. I'm just going to fold it over once, fold it over twice, and 1 is done. There. If you could only smell my kitchen, they're beautiful. Pannekaken are ready, my Norwegian pancakes. Now you can serve them like this with maple syrup or a sweet cream cheese, which is the way it was served to us. But I'm going to fill mine with chantilly cream. I'm going to add a little bit of chantilly cream inside, a little more. Why not? This is great for breakfast or also for dessert. A little bit of berries, fold over again. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? 1 more. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. I think anybody would love this for breakfast or dessert. I'm just going to add a little bit of icing sugar. How pretty. My Pannekaken for myself are ready. I stuffed them, like I said, with chantilly cream, and now I'm going to taste it for you. absolutely delicious. Jenny, I want to thank you so much for your inquiry. This is a lovely recipe. I hope you and your family will enjoy them. And it's Katerina from my home to yours.